Ooh. I didn't even know I had like bones in those places. But it felt really good. Oh, okay. Okay. I almost cried. Like that felt really good. Ooh. Okay. That was good. Did you hear that?
Yes.
That was loud. I'm embarrassed. Okay, that was good. That was, oh my God, that was good. That was great.
Deep breath in and out.
Mm. Ooh.
Please don't fall off the bed.
That's why I scooted back. That felt so good. You heard it before I even went. Ooh. I felt that oh here. Ooh. That was good. That was good. Keep going a woman's work here.
Deep breath in and out.
Oh. I feel like you left my body on this table. Like I can feel it like all, like through here. Whew. Give me like 3 minutes. I will get up.
That's why I said I'll stay there.
It's like, you can't even move. Even when you like stretched it, I was like, oh, this is gonna be good.